Hello guys, what I'm going to show you today is how you can generate different kind of images using Microsoft Designer and how you can even convert these images into videos using an external platform, okay? But yeah, the bulk of this tutorial is going to focus on Microsoft Designer. So yeah, just go to Google and just type in Microsoft Designer and let's access the first result, which is this first one here. And now you want to sign in. And for this, the only thing you need is actually a Microsoft account. So you can create one clicking on this button, or you can enter your existing Microsoft account. Okay, once that is actually done, this is how it's going to look like here. And you're going to be able to create different kind of images. Keep in mind that this is free, but only for a limited amount of images. You're going to have something like, I believe, 15 to 20 credits, 20 free credits, and you're going to be able to buy more credits or to upgrade your Microsoft account if you want to create more images. But yeah, from here you're going to be able to create different kind of designs. You can, for example, just create normal images if you click on this button here, and this is going to work similar to any other, image model such as Midjourney or Leonardo or Stable Diffusion or DALI. Okay, I find that the images, are not maybe do not have maybe as high of a technical quality as the new DALI generator or as Flags. But yeah, you can just here put any description that you actually want. Okay, the more detail, the better it's gonna come out. You can also use these existing images as inspiration for your from your prompts. Okay, you can just copy them, you can modify them, and so on, so on, so on. And the most important thing is also the size, okay? You want to make sure that you want to select your desired size. So it can be like a portrait, square, or like a landscape, okay? Depending on your taste, on what you actually want. This is the number of credits that you actually have, okay? And each month you're going to be regenerated. Now, you can do the same with, for example, icons, which are very good to use in a video, for example, wallpapers, invitations, banners, and so on and so on. And something that I like a lot for Microsoft Designer is actually the social media posts, which are great, as you can see here, okay? And it's going to work exactly the same way. You're going to have to type in a description, which should be as detailed as you actually can. And the good thing about this is that you can add images, okay, that are gonna be inside of this, poster, instead of this social media post, and that are gonna help the AI kind of make a better design, okay? And you can add 8 images at the very max, and you can also modify the size. Okay, cool. Now, there's a bunch of, there's a bunch of categories that you can actually do. You can do avatars, backgrounds, and so on. But I find that the ones that I cover are the most important here. So yeah, you can also edit images with AI, for example. You can remove the background, edit the colors, generative arrays, similar to how it works in Adobe Photoshop. But yeah, so now let's say that you create an amazing image and you want to make it, or you want to turn it into a video. Currently, there's no in-house feature to do this from Microsoft Designer. You're gonna have to use a tool like Runway, for example, but it's no problem, okay? Just download the image that you actually generate here, okay? And once you have it, just upload to a platform such as Runway, okay? And it's gonna try to turn it into a video. So this is pretty much how it works, and I hope that you like this. Thank you so much.